Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Schreiber. I'm back. Happy Friday. This week we have been learning about two-dimensional polygon shapes. So today we are going to do a little review. Are you ready? I know I am. Okay. We're going to take a look at this first shape right here, boys and girls. Can you name that shape for me? It's probably an easy one. You've been doing this since kindergarten, pre-K maybe. If you said triangle, you are correct. How many sides does it have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. That's right. That's how you knew it was a triangle. Tri means 3, T-R-I, like a tricycle. T-R-I-C-Y-C-L-E, tricycle has 3 shapes. Or, sorry, 3. Tri means 3. All right. And we know something about polygons. If you haven't noticed or been taught this yet, with a polygon, it will always have the same number of angles as it does sides. So you have 1, 2, 3 angles. Very good. We're going to look at the second shape. Can you name that shape? Very good. It is a, I hear some different answers out there. For this shape, I would accept square because you can see that its sides are equal. It has 2 sets of parallel sides, the top and the bottom, and the right and the left are parallel. Those lines are never going to cross. And it has right angles on every angle. Remember, those right angles are like L's. Okay, so it's a square. How many sides does it have? 4, that's right. How many angles? 4, that's right. Let's look at our next shape. Take a look at it. You might need to count the sides or the angles first before you answer this one. Now do you know what it is? When we count the sides, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. That means it has 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. A 5-sided shape with 5 angles is a pentagon. So if you said pentagon, you are correct. That one was a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides and angles. How about this one right here? I see some of you counting those sides. Smart thinking. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it has 6 sides, it's got to have 6 angles. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, 6 angles. What do we call that? I think Mrs. Hughes taught you yesterday. A hexagon, H-E-X, hex, hexagon. Now we're going to get into some different types of quadrilaterals. Let's look at the very first one up here. It has 2 sets of parallel lines, and I don't think that those lines are the same length. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, of course, because it's a quadrilateral. All of these are going to have 4 sides and 4 angles. When we look at these angles, none of them are right angles. If you said this is a parallelogram because it has 2 sets of parallel lines, but they're not all the same length, you are correct. This is a parallelogram. 4 sides, 4 angles, but we really have to look at what type of sides and angles these quadrilaterals have in order to correctly identify them. All right, let's take a look at this one. I hear a lot of you already. We know right off the bat this is a rectangle. It has right angles. They make those L's. And 2 of its parallel sides are longer than the other set of parallel sides. So it is a rectangle. Good job. And now let's look at this smiling guy right here. I have some tables like these in my classroom. We've got 1 set of parallel lines at the top and the bottom. Those lines will never meet. They'll never cross. And we've got 2 slanted sides The line at the top is shorter than the line opposite it. Do you remember what this shape is called? It is a trapezoid. That's right, it's a trapezoid. Again, it's a quadrilateral, so it has 4 sides and 4 angles. But to correctly identify it, we have to really take a look at what type of sides and angles we have there. And then we've got this little guy at the bottom. If you're saying diamond, I'm gonna say, nuh-uh. Nope, not a mathematical term. Diamond is not a mathematical word. This little guy that you used to call the diamond has a real name, begins with an R. He has 2 sets of parallel lines, and each set has equal length. So all 4 sides are the same side. It's like a square, only it doesn't have those right angles. It's turned. It's called a rhombus, boys and girls. Very nice. All right, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that review. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.